am a licensee of PAGCOR. I also have a memorial park in Baliwag, Bulacan, San Rafael, and San Miguel, Bulacan.
I'm Let Tablico from Mill Embroidery. We cater embroidery services, logo, patches, barong, mga gowns.
I'm Miss Jahan Sarabia. I'm a property investment from SNDC International.
Sa inyo lahat, welcome to Premier Lifestyle Club. Our theme for tonight is Family Advantage. I'm not going to be the one who will present our partnership program, and you all know him. And give a big round of applause to our club president, Sir Warren Trinidad.
So dito sa Premier Lifestyle Club, we will give you an opportunity to showcase your business inside our growing Premier Lifestyle Club.
Ang niche po ng aming Little Legends Travel and Tours, yung mga curated travel packages for families, especially with kids. Yun po yung specialty ng travel and tours namin. When we're able to bring yung firstborn namin, so yung Vietnam trip po namin, DIY yun. So po, kumuha kami ng travel and tours agency, pero hindi niya na-deliver yung gusto naming naglaong parang bula yung travel and tours na contact namin.
Ikaw yung nagpalit.
So ako yung...
Siya yung pumalit. Siya yung nagkasikat.
Yeah, so nag-DIY kami and then ganun po yung nangyari.
Nung na-experience namin mag-travel with our baby, doon naisip natin na gusto ko yung niche ng travel and tours natin, family. Yun nga, yung mindset na mahirap mag-travel, pag may mga bata, parang ayoko siya na gano'n yung maging maisip ng kliyente, lalo na family yung nag-travel. Gusto kong maging komportable, masaya pa din, kahit kasama yung mga bata. Yung hindi nila yung option na iwan. May iba pa akong naririnig, pag natapos na talaga yung mga kids nila sa pag-aaral, doon na lang tayo bumawi. Parang gano'n.
Tapos meron po akong isang kaibigan. Sabi niya parang, bakit dinadala niyo yung bata sa travel eh? Hindi pa naman niya maaalala yan. Alam mo yung sagot doon? Maaalala kasi ng magulang eh. Maalala namin. Tama? Does it make sense? Maaalala niyo as parents na you were able to give that experience sa anak ninyo.
Yung dyaryo namin is a tabloid. We cater government office talaga. Yung talagang kliyente namin. Like mga judicials. Lahat ng government nilalabas nila. Like mga mayors, no? Meron sila yung mga ordinance, city ordinance. Nire-require nila yung dapat i-dyaryo para ma-inform yung mga tao na this is the government property owner.
Last April, nung na-invite nga po kami, nag-join kami sa Business Expo nila. Doon namin nakita yung suporta, opportunity, yung connections. Kami yung nag-a-advertise na ina-advertise din ng PLC. Nakakatuwa, ano? Grabe. Eto, bakit ang mga senior end is my 20% discount, diba? Samantalang dito, hindi mo kailangan maging senior and maging PWD, diba? Siyempre, ang Tipos Balita rin, ready rin magbigay ng discount. Hindi lang 20%.
We give a 20% discount sa PLC members. No?
Tayo kami ng computer shop, cafe, ng barbecue, lahat po ng klase ng business, nag-franchise din po kami. Pero 1 month lang po tinakbo. And that's why pinangalan po yung graphics kasi sa bahay lang po siya. So for that, hanggang ngayon, nagkikater po ako ng mga product labels. Na-excite akong gawin siya, lalo po sa Candelaria kasi actually pakita ko lang po sa inyo, nasa 30 plus businesses na po ang partners natin sa Candelaria. You start for this partnership, it's okay with me kung hindi din. Basta pabor to sa'yo kasi you will get a lot of connections. Imagine nakakausap ko lahat kayo, di ba?
Tap and Save actually is yung official partner ng Congress. Yung mga PLC cards yun dito is the same cards that our Congress people are using. So gagawin nyo lang, itatap nyo lang tong card nyo. Ayan. Tapos pagka-tap, lalabas lahat ng details yun dito. Phone numbers, lahat. You can put unlimited number of details, okay? Kahit na makalimutan nila pangalan mo, kapag tumawag kayo sa kanila, maalala nila na, oh, ito yung na-meet ko ng PLC. So yun yung solution na binibigay ng Tap and Save. We make sure na pag na-meet mo isang person, you get to connect with them even after nag-meet kayo. Yung PLC card that you guys have not only is super beneficial kasi nabibigyan kayo ng mga 20% discount, diba? So kapag meron kayong PLC card, you are an elite. We want everyone to be able to network with like-minded people much more easily. We want it to be accessible, we want it to be worth it. Kada punta natin dito every Saturday, may makukuha tayo out of it. So, that is the main reason kung bakit Tap and Save is officially partnered with PLC.
Yes!
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Nero Ranay, CEO of Tap and Save, and Tap and Save is officially partnered up with PLC. Tap and Save allows you to instantly share your contact information with just one tap. I personally invite you to come to Premier Lifestyle Club every Saturday to connect with fellow like-minded people.
Welcome to